Hey, I hope this video finds you well. This is why I do this. This is my son, Henry. He's eating right now, so I'm gonna say hi, but hi.
He's gonna get it. And it didn't cost you a penny.
No, nothing.
And you'll be, do you know how much
Actually,
you'll be
they
saving, or?
update my brakes box. They updated because there was a lot of cables over there.
The electrical box.
Yeah, it was
Okay.
tangled over there. So it was hard for them to do the connection. So they get a lot of brakes and put in new ones and fix it up
Oh,
for
good.
me.
Okay.
Yeah, no cost.
And did they say how much you'd be saving, or they don't know yet?
Nah, not really. Not really. They give me like kilowatts per year, and the amount of money that I'm supposed to pay, and the rest, if I go over that amount of kilowatts they give me, it will go to the electric company. That will be a little money.
Okay.
Yeah.
And do you owe, it's a 20-year
20-year one. Yes.
a lease?
Yes,
Or?
yes, 20 years.
Okay.
Yeah,
Excellent.
20
Cool.
years.
Thanks so much, Henny. Thanks
Yeah,
for being
you're
here.
welcome.
All right, have a good one.
You too.
Happy Sunday, fill up your Sundays. I finished my meditation, pranayamic breathing, yoga, whatever you might want to call it. Sending out some letters. You know, it's Sunday, gonna get them in the mail so they go out Monday morning. Support some people at Home Depot, finding out what they need and talking to them. And then heading out to Oceanport, New Jersey, beautiful neighborhood. Gonna speak to some homeowners out there that I haven't been able to get in touch with. As far as the letters, we have Chris, who needs a full re-roof. The beams, the rafters, shingles, everything needs to be fully gutted and replaced. Wants a phone conversation with us first to make sure that we can do it. We definitely can. For not a penny out of his pocket, which if you're gonna spend upwards of $10,000-$20,000 for a full re-roof, that is supportive.
Second piece of important data. You know, I come on here and I'm always talking about like Crazy Eddie's House of Whatever, and I'm like, listen, and you guys got crazy whatever in your business name, and you want me to do like a redneck ad for you, let me know and I'll do it. And a dude wrote me yesterday and he was like, dude, will you do the ad for me? And I'm like, okay. So here's what we got. All right. My man, his name is Lee Tyler, and this is the email I got. Frank, : not hey Frank, not dear Frank, just kind of like Frank, like that with the colon after it. I run Lee's Crazy House of Solar Roofs. How about that? Would you be able to shoot a video for me, please? And then here's all the bullet points of what my man does. Roofs, solar that looks great, matches your roof line, no cost out of pocket.
Hi, my name is Lee Tyler. Myself and my business partner Joey Doherty are the owners of Nat Eco Solar Installation and Roofing. He used to run a real estate company in California. Myself have been promoting radio stations across the country. And we met raising money for some of the biggest environmental charities in the world in New York City in 2015. And we're super excited to get you all the info. I'm going to send out 2 more videos, so just take a look out for those. And we'll get you all that info over the next few days. We'll leave the decision making up to you. And we'll get you that info in the shortest period of time possible. Great meeting you. Thanks. Bye.